Dr. Jeffrey, the dirty clothes in my butt. I wish you got your ass out here. I wish you got your ass out here. I wish you got your ass out here.
How would you react? What would you do if you come and catch your man in a public with the next woman?
Jesus Christ.
If I caught my man with another woman,
What would I do? They can't tell it right now, but we know say what I draw.
I'd fuck him up.
What again?
Drop the bleach in our water and
Eh?
keep it drink.
Where so that to solve the problem?
I don't understand.
Huh?
I don't understand. I guess I would, unless so everything done. So let's see.
I'm telling you, instinct might kick in.
What would you do?
Drop the hot oil in our ears and my sleep.
If I saw him with another woman in public, he would get it all day. I would walk up to him like, what the fuck are you doing? Who the fuck is this bitch?
What if you do? I know one Monday.
Run up on him and I'd hit him in his fucking mouth.
What if the guy just leave them?
Mush him down same place, right?
I'm innocent to touch a female.
Because I'm not fear for
May I lick him on first, then I grab the female. I'm not afraid nobody when I'm done. But might end up a prison, that I next thing. Might end up being prison, and I don't want to go to prison.
That's it.
Well, me a man love me woman them fat. Yeah man, me woman them have to fat. My woman have to fat, so tell him can't come through front door. So me woman have to fat. Me have to search through where me want. All the fat girls them, you know me have to have them. Oh, all the fat girls, you know me want them. You know me have to have them. Why y'all?
Alright people, we just want skit with my girlfriend contact with the next woman. As you already know, it's only acting. Remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Yeah.
Dirty boy.